Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Wow. How are you today?
I am right.
Wow. So are you happy today?
I don't know.
No, you're not happy?
I know. I I don't know.
Okay. So have you already done with your dinner?
I eat noodles.
Okay, so you eat already and noodles. So are you ready today?
Yes, I really.
Okay. So what do you think our lesson for today?
I think speaking and writing.
Oh, we are already done with speaking, not yet. What do you think? You remember? Okay, so today we are going to learn about reading and writing first. Okay? So last, we
Okay.
discuss about what we discussed last meeting? All about, what do you call this? Our lesson last meeting. That is listening. Okay?
Listening.
Okay, wow,
Okay.
that's very good. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay,
I,
so let's proceed the reading and writing. Okay. Okay, please listen to teacher. Okay, let's start. Okay, we have a flyers too, and that is reading and writing. So what is our lesson for today?
mm,
What is our lesson for today? Can you read it?
reading and writing.
Okay, very good. So our lesson for today is all about reading and writing. Okay, which is your favorite, reading or writing?
Um, I like reading.
Okay, you like reading. Okay, so now let's start to read. Okay, teacher will read first, okay? So, you can buy a cup of drink and get something to eat here. So that is our answer is a cafe. Okay, number one, please read it.
Yes. When it is dark, this can help you to say
Okay, so what is your
thought,
answer? What?
thought.
Yes, very good. That is a torch. Okay, so please read carefully so that you can answer, read and understand, okay?
Okay.
Okay, number two.
This subject teaches you about people who lived a long time ago.
Okay. Just wait for a while. What happened? Just wait for a while, okay?
History.
Okay. Oh no. Just wait, my. Okay, now. Number 2 again.
Yes. Discipline teaches you about people who lived a long time ago.
Okay, this subject teaches you about people who lived a long time ago. So what is your answer?
History.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, very good. So history, that is, what is that? That is a history and a long time ago. Okay, so our
Okay.
teacher will teach us about the history. Okay, do you like to read a history books?
Yes, I like.
Okay, that's great. So number 3, can you read that?
Yes, if you got smart, teach the doctor if you please.
Okay, if you've got stomach ache, the doctor give you this. What is your answer?
Hmm, I don't know, say.
Oh no, if you have a stomach ache or if you have headache or fever, did you go to the doctor? Did you go to the doctor? Yes or no?
No,
Okay, so what happened if you have that? What did you take so that you can cure easily? Did you drink a tablet?
chocolate.
Yes. Did you drink so what do you call that? If you have a stomach ache, fever, or it is a headache, what did you do if you have that? So you will take a, what will you take? That is a medicine.
No, medicine.
Yes. So what did you take if you have a stomach ache? That is a medicine,
Mm,
okay?
medicine. Okay.
Don't forget the medicine if you have stomach ache, fever, cough, or headache. Okay? Don't forget that. Medicine, right?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. Oh, number 4. Can you read it?
Yes. You can go here to see clouds, horse, and
Horses.
horses. And elephant.
Okay, you can go here to see clowns, horses, and elephants. So what do you call that?
Cycles.
Okay, so did you go a circus?
Mm, cycles.
Did you experience seeing a clowns?
I don't know cycles.
Okay, so that is a circus. So just remember a circus where you can go there to see clowns, horses, and animals. So there are also many magics in a circus. Okay, just remember that. Okay, number 5.
Number 5. If it snows, you can sit on this and go down a hill.
Okay. If it is snows, you can sit on this and go down a hill. So what is that? Do you know that? Okay, so that is a sludge. Okay, very good. Good job. Now let's proceed. So number 6.
You wait if you want to cut a train.
Okay. What is your answer? You wait here if you want to catch a train.
Train.
So what is the name for the terminal of the train? Where the train is stopped. What do you call that? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, so that is a station. Station is where you can wait if you want to catch a train. Okay, so what is again? You wait here if you want to catch a train. Did you remember already?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now number 7.
You can take your clothes in this if you go on a train.
So what is your answer? You can take your clothes and this if you go on a train.
Use case.
Okay, that is a suitcase. Okay, very good. Good job. Now number 8.
This subject teaches you about mountains, rivers, and lakes. Geography.
Okay, geography. So do you have a subject geography?
Hmm.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so the subject touches you about mountains, rivers, and lakes or seas. Okay, that is ocean, so that is geography. Okay, just remember that, okay? So that
Yes.
you will learn in our mountains, okay, rivers, and lakes. So that is a geography. How about number 9?
This often has a light on top and can take you to hospital.
Yes. What do you call that always rains? If they have what is that? They have patient.
Listen.
Okay. Do you know that what is that name? That always
Nurse.
rains. That is a kind of car. Yes, that is a kind of car that there is a patient with nurse and a doctor sometimes, and they always rains. There is a light on the top. That is a red light. What do you call that? That is
A nurse.
that is not nurse is not a
Nurse.
car. What do you think? What do you think here is a kind of car? A theater, a chemist, a factory, a nurse, maths, or an ambulance? What do you think?
I think
Do you know an ambulance?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know about ambulance. So ambulance is they have a light on the top and can take you to the hospital. That is an ambulance. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just remember, what is the car in the hospital? What do you call that? That is a, what do you call? Okay, that is
And
ambulance. Okay, ambulance. Okay, number 10.
this shop sells things to make you well.
Okay, so the shop sells things to make you well. What do you think?
Nothing.
You can guess your answer.
First story.
Okay, let's check if it is correct. Okay. This shop sells
This
things to make you well. That is a chemist. Why? Because there are many things in that shop. A chemist is a kind of people who are intelligent. They have many, what do you call that? They have many experiment in their shop. Okay? There is a laboratory in the chemist shop. Okay, next, let's proceed. Write yes or no. Okay, are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so can you use your pen to answer? Yes or no? Can you use your pen?
Pen.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, can you do it to
Yes.
answer?
Uh, yes.
Okay, so one of the pirates has just fallen into the sea. Okay, you can look at the picture so that you can answer, okay? So what is your answer number 1?
Number one is
Just look at the picture. One of the pirates has just fallen into the sea.
yes.
Okay, so very good. That is the correct answer, yes. Okay, number 2, please read that.
Yes. The tallest.
The tallest pirate is carrying a box of treasure. Can you see the tallest pirate in the picture? That carrying box?
Oh, oh yes.
Okay. So, look at, is this a tallest person, right? This is a box of treasure, right? Look at the picture. Okay. So, the answer is no. Why? Because the tallest pirate is not carrying a box. Okay? Just look at the picture. Okay, now number 3.
There is a storm in the sky.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so very good. Look at the storm. There are storm in the sky. So number 4, how about number 4? Can you answer it?
Yes. An octopus is standing into the small boat. No.
Okay, so let's see. An octopus is climbing
The
into the small boat. So that is yes. Why? Where is an
octopus.
octopus in the picture? Octopus is climbing. Look at where? There is an octopus. Have you seen the octopus?
Oh,
Okay, so now you know already. This is a small boat, right? And
I
this is,
think
yes, and this is a big boat. So the question is, an octopus is climbing into the small boat. So you will always looking for the big boat, right? Am I right? Hello.
yes.
So it's okay. So our answer is yes. Okay, number 5. Please read it.
The monkey is throwing co-
Coconuts.
coconut, coconuts at the race.
Okay, what is your answer? The monkey is throwing coconuts at the pirates.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. Okay, look at where is the monkey? This is a monkey, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened? Is he throwing a coconut in the pirates? Yes or no? That is
No.
no, yes. Why? Where is she throw the coconut? In the oceans. Okay, number 6.
The parrot with red trousers
Trousers.
is sleeping under the tree.
Okay, the pirate with red trousers is sleeping under the tree. So, did you see a pirate with red trousers?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, there is a trousers, red trousers. Okay, that
Red
is,
trousers.
yes. So, number 7.
Two of the butterflies are flying above the big boat.
Okay, 2 of the butterflies are flying above the bigger boat. Okay, did you see 2 butterflies?
Yes.
Oh, did you see? Yes, that is a bigger boat. Look at a bigger boat. 2 of the butterflies are flying above the bigger boat. Look at. Is there 2 butterflies flying in a bigger boat?
No.
Okay, that is no why. There is only 2 butterflies flying above
Other.
the small boat, right? So
Other.
there is
Yes.
3 butterflies here in the bigger boat, right? In the bigger
Yes.
boat, there is 3, and the small boat, there is 2. Okay? So the question is, 2 of the butterflies are flying above the bigger boat. So there is no 2 butterflies. Okay? In the bigger boat, there are 3 butterflies. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now let's continue. So today we have part 3 and there are 5 questions. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So number 1, Lucy is talking to Paul. Okay, just look at. There are 2 persons in the picture. Um, the boy is called Paul and the girl is called Lucy. Okay, so Lucy is talking to Paul about his birthday. What does Paul say to Lucy? Okay, So number 1, just look at, it was your birthday yesterday, wasn't it, Paul? So their answer is B. Okay, let's check. Okay, so now you can answer. There is a questions, 5 questions, and there are 6 answer. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now let's start. Example number 1. Did you have a party this year? So what is the answer? Paul, not this time. We went to a restaurant. Okay? So
Okay.
that is your guide so that you can answer properly. Okay, number 2. Please read it.
Yes. Oh, who did you go with? Just my family and 2 friends.
Yes, just my family and 2 friends. And what was your favorite present?
Present.
Okay, just read this and just choose your correct answer, okay? I know you can do it.
Present. One. If you like, let's go to the park.
Okay, so let's answer together. So who did you go with? Just my family and 2 friends. And what was your favorite present? My parents gave me a bike. Is that correct? Okay. Okay, very good. So my parents gave me a bike. Okay, number 4.
Excellent.
Excellent.
So we excellent. So we go for a ride together.
What do you think? So let's answer. So that is the answer. If you like, let's go to the park. Okay, number 5.
Wait, I did New
Idea.
York. I did New York. Brother, come to. No, he's busy today.
Yes, very good. So you got it already. No, he's busy today. Okay, very good. So now let's have a role play, okay? So I am Lucy and you are Paul. Okay? Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. So did you have a party this year? Your answer is right. Look at, you are Paul, right? So if I asked you, you can answer. Just find the sentence in the letter. Okay. So did you have a party this year?
Not this time. We went to a restaurant. friend.
Oh, who did you go with?
Just my family and two friends.
And what was your favorite present?
My parents gave me a bike.
Excellent. Shall we go for a ride together?
If you like, let's go to the park.
Great idea. Will your brother come too?
No, he is busy today.
Okay, very good. We already done. Okay, now let's proceed. Let's proceed with our part 4. Okay, in our part 4, we have 6 questions. Okay, so let's read the story. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to the numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. Okay, so now there is an answer example, yes? So let's read it. So Tom loves working in the garden. It's his favorite hobby. He grows a lot of fruits and vegetables. There. So can you read that? Continue reading. Every year.
Every year there is a competition. In his
Competition.
competitions,
Just choose your answer here.
in his hill.
Okay. So continue. Just continue reading. So every year there is a competition in his. Where did Tom's place? So okay, so there is every year there is a competition in his. What do you call? Okay, so every year there is a competition in his village to find the best watermelon, and always Tom tries to win. Okay, that is a village. Okay, number 2. Next. Please read that next sentence.
This year, they feeling very happy because he thinks he is the biggest watermelon that anyone has ever seen.
Yes, very good. That is sin. Okay, very good. You got it. Okay, next. Continue reading.
It looks like a football is ring and
It looks like a
it,
football. It's green
it,
and what?
it,
Mm, what is in the football? Is that a round or a circle? What do you think is a football? A round or a circle? Okay, our sentence is it looks like a football, right?
yes,
So a football is a round, right? Am I
yes,
correct? Okay. So the answer it looks like a football. It's green and round. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, continue. Just remember, okay?
and so big that Tom can
Pick.
pick, pick up
Pick
is
it up.
too heavy. He gives it lots of water every day. It gets even bigger at night. He takes his blanket
Blanket.
outside the
Again.
blanket
Okay. His blanket.
outside
Outside and
outside and
what do you think is the answer?
still
What is your answer?
still
Okay, on the ground next to his watermelon to look after it. So what do you think? Watermelon and Tom's. So that is sleep.
sleeps
Okay, sleep on the ground. The Tom sleep on the ground next to the watermelon to look after it. Okay, next. Continue reading.
yes he's afraid
Afraid.
afraid because someone might run over the wall and he'll it
And what is your answer?
still
Okay, very good. So Tom is afraid. Why? Because someone might climb over the wall and steal his watermelon, right? So climb over
yes
the wall and steal it. So, no. Okay, continue.
Tom Tom decided that
Decided.
this
Decided.
decided that this year he is not going to learn the
Competition.
competition.
Yes, Tom's decided that this year he's not going to lose the competition. So our story today is Tom and his watermelon. So Tom is always in the, what is that? In his village about the competition of the watermelon. Okay? Just remember our story today, okay? Don't forget that. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, choose the best name for this story. Take one back. So what do you think is the best name of the story?
Hmm. An expensive puppy.
Okay, what is your answer?
An expensive puppy.
So again, our story is all about Tom's and his watermelon, right? So in the last part of our story, what happened for that? Okay, just look at, okay, just read.
Which
So Tom's decided that this year he's not going to lose the competition. So what is that? Okay, that is Tom's big
wish.
wish. So very good. So Tom's wish that on the next competition he will win again. Okay?
Okay.
So we already done about part 4. Let's proceed to our part 5. Okay, look at the picture and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, 3, or 4 words. So Ben finds his dinner. Okay, so are you ready to read?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Last summer.
Summer.
Emma, Emma went for a walk in the forest with her dog. Ben, it was a lovely day. She was throwing a ball, and Ben was running after it when suddenly he saw a rabbit. The rabbit ran behind some trees and Ben threw it. Emma was afraid
Afraid.
because, because there was a wonderful near the trees. She could
She could
hear,
hear it.
she could hear it. Don't be naughty. Then she shouted, come back, but Ben didn't, and Emma couldn't buy him anywhere. She ran to the wonderful. It was very noisy, and there was lots of dangerous frogs in the river. Oh no, they thought Ben had a problem, and they looked it into the water, but they couldn't see him. Then someone with the
Whistled.
whose
Whistled.
whistle was there. Emma shouted.
Shouted.
Emma shouted. Emma is me. A boy answered. Who shouted? Emma, best friend. He
It's
laughed
Robert. It's
and
Robert.
his brother.
Your best friend.
Your best friend. And
Best friend, he laughed. I'm
make
looking.
live in a cave that from a sea. Emma walked over the big rocks behind slowly
Waterfall.
and wonderful and saw big dog cave there. She saw Robert and Ben there. Robert was cooking on the fire, eating lots of
Sausages.
sausages when they walked in. Now I understand that Emma. Mm, those look brought noise for me too. Of course, say Robert.
Okay, so example, Emma and Ben were in the, good job. Thank you for reading. Okay, Emma and Ben were in the forest, right? Ben ran behind palm trees after the rabbit. Okay, so we have an example. Emma felt afraid because of the waterfall. Okay, number 2, what is your answer?
With Emma coughing, he come back. He come back.
Okay, when Emma called Ben, he,
He come back.
yes, he came back. Okay, Emma thought, oh no. What is your answer?
Oh
Oh
no.
no. What do you think is
Put
the answer?
my sin. Put my feet in the water.
Okay, excuse. So Emma thought, oh no, Ben. Ben might be in the water, right? Ben. So what happened to Ben in the water? What do you think? Okay, so Emma thought, oh no, Ben might be in the water. So now, number 4. The waterfall sounded,
Waterfall. There is
so the waterfall sounded, that is very noisy. Okay, number 5.
it was Emma.
It was Emma's.
Emma.
Okay, so let's answer. It was Emma's best friend, right? So Robert is best friend of Emma. Okay, that is our story. So it was Emma's best friend, Robert, who called her name from the cave. Okay, number 6.
Emma had to climb over some
Emma had to climb over some. What is in the cave? In the cave, there are many rocks, right?
yes.
Okay, so our answer is Emma had to climb over some rocks to get to the cave. Before you enter to the cave, there are many rocks, right? Okay, number
Yes.
7.
When Emma went inside the cave, Ben was in
What do you think what happened to Ben in the cave?
as fallen.
Okay, so when Emma went inside the cave, she saw Ben, that Ben was eating lots of sausages, right? Okay, so Ben was eating sausages. Okay, just remember that. Okay, we have part 6. Okay, So read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. Okay, example just listened. Last summer, Michael went camping in the mountains. Okay, so this is
Okay.
our last question, maybe. So in. So our choices is for, by, and in. So the correct answer is N. Okay, now let's answer it together. Before he blanked, his mom helped. Okay, that is your answer number one. Example number one is left, right?
Yes.
Before he left, his mom helped him to put some things in his rucksack. His mother asked, "How many clothes do you want to?" Okay, number two, what is your answer?
I want to check.
Okay, take, he said. I'll need 3 sweaters, some socks. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about number 3? Can you read that?
Yes. 5 pieces and some fruits. His mom asked, "How long are you going for?" And Mitchell answered 4 days. Then his mom laughed and said, "But your rucksack will be
Okay, said.
now heavy to cost."
Okay, so how long are you going for? And Michael answered for this. Then his mom laughed and said, "But your rucksack will be," look at, "too heavy to carry." Okay, so number 5.
What else? What else have you need?
What else do you need?
Do you need?
Okay, so what else do you need? Michael thought for a moment and said,
Well, he does goes to tip or 10 because I haven't got one. Oh, I am remember to take a top. Then we can see when it dog can I can you have some chocolate and big kiss too, please? Mom, we might be hungry. His mom said, "Okay, and would you like one lemonade?" Eh,
that is some lemonade.
so
Okay, continue.
Mucho said, "Oh, yes, please. I think that's everything. And ready. If our mom, his mom said bye and then say love again. He said, "My little you
Forgotten.
forgotten to put on you shoes. Your shoes."
Okay, very good. So now Peter's going to take a tent because I haven't got one. Oh, I must remember to take a torch. Then we can see when it's dark. Can I have some chocolate and biscuits too, please, Mom? We might be hungry. His mom said, okay. And would you like some lemonade? Michael said, oh yes, please. I think that's everything. I'm ready. Goodbye, Mom. His mom said bye, and then she laughed again and said, Michael, you've forgotten to put on your shoes. Okay, very good. So now we have part 7. Okay, are you okay for this time?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So this is the last. Okay, example. Oh no. Please answer. Harry is a pilot. He
Harry
works at
is
the airport. Okay, continue.
he was at the airport, which is near the city. Every day is up at 6 o'clock in his honest uniform. He wears a white hat, black jacket.
Jacket.
Hmm.
So Harry is a
This,
pilot. Okay, continue.
this trousers,
Trousers.
trousers.
When he
When
arrives,
was at work, he mm, in Britain on the plane and says hello, hello.
that is the
To
answers.
everyone. He loves his job because he meets a lot of people. He likes visit different countries. This year, he has
Flown. Flown
flown
all over the world.
all over the world.
Okay, so let's read that. Harry is a pilot. He works at the airport, which is near the city. Every day he gets up at 6 o'clock and put on his uniform. He wears a white hat and a blue jacket with trousers. When he arrives at work, he tests everything on the plane and then says hello to everyone. He loves his job because he meets a lot of people. He also likes visiting different countries. This year, he has flown all over the world. So, okay. Thank you very much for your time today. Please always study and always read books, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's already time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Good
you.
night. Please study, okay?
Yes.
Okay, good job, little boy. Bye-bye.
I'm tired.